Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little tutorial on how to do this little skin regimen. I recently heard somebody talking about this in a YouTube video, and I googled it, and it was like very interesting to me, so I figured that I would share it with you guys in one of my videos. And basically what it is a Korean skincare little routine that I guess Korean people do in Korea, South Korea mainly. As some of you may already know, I don't know if you guys know or not, but I'm half Korean. You know, my last name is Kim. That's a big, Korean name. I don't know if you guys know that, but I am half Korean. And I thought it would be nice to share this little tutorial with you guys because I don't know, it's something that I haven't really been doing too often, I'll be honest, but I thought maybe I'll probably do it more in the future when I have a better toner, because yeah, you guys will just see later in the video what I mean by that. But anyways, I'm sorry if I sound like really weird right now. I'm a little bit sick. My allergies have been acting up lately, and this is like my day off today, so I wanted to do a little video for you guys. And yeah, so before we get into this video, if you could subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow me on my Instagram, which is __ Jasmine Kim. And yeah, let's just get right into this video. So basically what the 7 skin method, I don't even know if that's the right term for it, but it has its whole name. I think it's a 7 skin method. I'll have it in the title of the video. But basically what it is it's very simple. You just apply a toner. After you're done washing your face, you apply a toner, and you apply it 7 times to your face. So in this video I will show you, how to do it and everything. It's pretty simple, but I just wanted to give a little bit of factual information for those of you who don't know much about it, and what you should do and what you shouldn't do, I guess. So if you have oily skin, I have combination skin, so I haven't really been doing this method too much because I don't really have a good toner, and the toner that I use is the most generic type of brand you could find. Like, it's just like this Witch Hazel by Dickinson's, and this was like a few bucks or something. This stuff is really, really cheap. It's affordable. If you can, afford a better toner that doesn't have alcohol in it, then I would definitely suggest that. I'm probably, at some point, I'll probably be buying a toner that doesn't have alcohol in it because I don't know, it's not good to use a toner with like alcohol if you're going to be applying it 7 times to your face, you know what I mean? Like, that's pretty much like the point that I wanted to get across, I guess. Korean people think that they should be applying it 7 times to their face. So I just thought it was a little interesting sort of routine. So I figure once I get a better toner that doesn't have alcohol in it, I will be doing it more often. So yeah, I'll show you guys how you can do this routine. And in this video, I'm only going to be doing it a few times because, again, my toner has alcohol in it. But if you have like super oily skin or super dry skin, then you're probably going to want to use a toner without alcohol, and not do this routine. If your toner does have alcohol and you're applying it 7 times to your face, then it's gonna, dry out your skin even more, and it won't be really good for your skin. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and yeah, I'll show you guys how you can do this little routine. So this is the brand of toner that I use, and it is just the cheapest type of toner that you can get at the drugstore. And as you can see in the ingredients, it has 14% alcohol. So I won't be doing it 7 times in this routine, but if you have an alcohol-free toner, then I suggest using that and doing it 7 times. And most people, they'll use like a cotton pad or even a towel or something to apply to your face with the toner, but I just use my hands because it's just, I don't know, it doesn't soak up into a towel or a cotton pad, and you can just apply it on your face like how it applies, I guess, more with my hand. So yeah, I'm just letting it dry, and then I'm going on to apply it again, and that's pretty much all there is to it. You just have to make sure your face dries completely before you apply the next coat. So I'm doing it for the 3rd time here, just applying it all over my face. Gonna let it dry again, and going on with my 4th coat. And I'm gonna stop at 4 because I just wanted to do it to I wanted to do it a few times. So, yeah. Okay, so that is how you do the 7 skin method. And I only did it a few times because, my toner contains alcohol, like I said several times in this video. Normally afterwards, what I'll do is I'll put some almond oil on my skin to moisturize it, because almond oil is like amazing for your skin. I use it as a moisturizer, and just like before I go to bed and stuff, I put it on. Well, I don't really use it as a moisturizer because it's too oily, but I just use it for overnight and after, mainly for overnight purposes. But anyways, so yeah, that is pretty much my whole video. I'm definitely going to be purchasing a better toner for my skin at some point. I think after I finish this whole bottle though, because I don't want to waste this. So it's going to be a long time from now before I actually purchase a toner without alcohol in it. But not to say that this stuff isn't good for you. This stuff is great for what I did in this video pretty much, because it helps tone your pores, it helps removes and balances your oily skin, and it soothes and refreshes, and it helps depuff your face. So it does good things for your skin. So I would definitely use this probably more often, because who has time to apply toner 7 times to their face every day? I don't think most people do. So yeah, I mainly use that one for when I go to work every day and stuff like that, and I just apply it a few times to my face, and it helps. I think it'll help my skin a lot more than just applying it one time. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was informational for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Follow me on my Instagram, which is __Jasmine Kim, and thumbs up this video if you liked it. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.